Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from Thailand. This is Mama Instant Rice Vermicelli Chicken Abalone flavor. I don't even know if the last episode came out right. I'm gonna say right now for the record, and I thoroughly appreciate the fellow who was kind enough to donate the, this is a GoPro Hero 7 Black camera. You're looking at me from behind, from inside of, I don't know. But, man, this thing is quirky. I gotta say, it works and then it doesn't work. It gets really hot. I was using it in, I was doing episodes in 4K for a while. Thing just get overheated and shut off. I mean, there's I don't know, why does it get so hot? Is it the SD card I'm using is not up to snuff, or I just don't get it. It's almost like these things aren't ready for prime time. Maybe it's just this one. I don't know. If you know anything about these GoPros, I'd love to hear, because it just like feels like it's gonna blow up all the time. But when it is working fine, it's a pretty groovy thing, you know. Facebook is gonna change its name. People are getting crazed about that right now. I know it's like late January for you folks, but for me, it's October 21st, I think. Let me look at this one. Yeah. It's 8:38 a.m., October 21st, 2021. Today in the news, we have sunny skies right now, and tonight we're supposed to get up to an inch of rain. What the? I don't know. We're supposed to get all this crazy weather coming up, and it just says on the forecast, rain, 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 rain. Is this thing even working? It's working. It's working. Did I set the timer? I set the timer. We're good. We're good. And yeah, still feeling fine after having my, well, I did initially have some kind of funk going on when I got my booster and my flu shot in the same day, but it went away really quick. So yeah, Thursday, gateway drug to Friday, gateway drug to the weekend. November 4th will be review number 4,000, and that is fast approaching. Wow. It'll be the 4,000th review, not the 4,000th episode of this show. I want to say that's an episode that I recorded way, or I think it's in the 1100s for that episode. Right now, I think I'm on 1270 or something like that. This will probably be like 1274, 1276, something like that. But I think that was like 1178, 1190. I can't remember. But I purposely skipped over that for that date. So, and there's like 4 episodes. There's going to be where I made yakisoba with the yakisoba. I made bread with the yakisoba. I made a prison-style ramen burrito with the yakisoba. I made, God, what else did I make? I think I made four videos using that stuff. It's crazy. So if you go to theramenraider.com and type in 4,000, it'll pop up that review right quick, and you'll just be like, whoa, that's a lot of stuff. It's a lot. It really is. Chicken abalone flavor. You know, for years I didn't like chicken abalone until I found the right flavor of it. And then I understood what I was looking for in one. If you have like a flavor and you try it like 5 different ways and you don't like it, you just kind of get settled on the idea that you don't like something. Try it again. People generally don't eat food that doesn't taste good unless you like grapefruit. Imitation grapefruit, I'm down. Regular grapefruit, like sitting there and like squirting grapefruit and putting anything you got to put that much sugar on to make it taste good. I don't know, but just not a grapefruit aficionado. It's just so bitter. I've seen people eating grapefruit and drinking coffee, black coffee. That's vile. Why would you do that to yourself first thing in the day? What kind of person does that? If you're that kind of person, what's your outlook? Are you a happy person? I hope you are, but grapefruit. Do you like things that are sweet? All right, so here's the vermicelli. Okay. The broth. There's a nice spiciness to it. Okay, so this is an example of a chicken abalone I do like, which I'm happy to report. I'm gonna use the magical Thailand bowl. I wish I had more, like, I wish I just had a set of bowls that I could say, this is my Thai set. This is the stuff I use when I'm reviewing Thai stuff. Or in a set of bowls that's like, this is for stuff from China, this is for stuff from Malaysia, that are all like, you know, I just would like to visit these places and just buy bowls, you know? Not easily done. Bowls break. This was a gift from my sister-in-law. Thank you again. Oh, I know. That's my alarm saying, get your boy ready, it's about time for him to go to school. So there's some chicken. I haven't any abalone. However, I do have a nice egg, which I'll add in here. I'll attempt to add in here without destroying the universe. Whoa, you stay. Nestle in right there. Okay. And some nice spring onion. Like that. Where do I put the mung bean sprouts? But yeah, it's seasons be changing. It's sunny right now. Maybe we'll be able to get out and do a little walking. I don't know though. I won't be surprised if all of a sudden it's just like, it's nice right now, but give it like a little bit of time and it'll end up being not so nice outside. That's okay. Come on, let go. As always, complaints about my local mung bean sprout supplier. How could you? Almost feels like they're just about ready to go bad. Hopefully these will do as they should. Thailand. Pepper flake. Sesame seed? I say alright. I think that's about good. Not too much, not too little. And then I gotta take nice, pretty pictures. You know what? I really, really miss Thailand. If anyone who wants to have me come to Thailand again, especially these folks, I would love to. That would be so nice. Oh, wrong way. Yeah, that was so much fun. I met so many interesting people. And saw so many neat things. Do it to it, Rotato. Do it to it. Well, now I gotta hurry, so I gotta go, but thank you for watching. There'll be more tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye.